I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. This is a 4-hour chart, pretty zoomed in. I just want you to understand, previously, Bitcoin had, from this exact same level, Bitcoin had a nice run up. And then, obviously, the bottom fell out. And now you've got this falling, broadening wedge. This same support level back here that is key to a reversal is right below the price action. We're going to look at what the stocks are going to do potentially tomorrow, and that'll give us a clue to Bitcoin's next move. This is plan A, plan B. We're going to execute one of these plans based on what the price action does. So if the price action loses this support level, support level, support level, support level, support level, which at this point, there's a 64% chance this breaks to the downside, right? There's all these buy orders stacked right here, but after you run out of buys, there's not enough people buying down here, you'll fall through that level. So if this does break to the downside, then you're looking at some type of falling wedge, descending channel, right? Where you have this descending channel, and you could see a move down here, to the lower 13,000 range. Could happen. But if we go back to this Bitcoin 4-hour chart and start here, 18,000 really is the lower trend line. Now, again, the bulls are at a point where you could get a bounce. You could get a dead cat bounce, and you could get a little bit of a relief rally. But stocks have been getting demolished. And so if Bitcoin can't do something different, we're in trouble. The bulls are in trouble. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I can't even tell you how many people are coming back into the group. We've added so much. I hired a strong team to help me. We're trading leveraged coins. We're able to short the market. He came into the group 3 years ago, didn't do very well. Then he joined the group back again. 3 days. In 3 days, he turned $400 into $4,000. I'm seeing extreme success out of people that have been in the group before because we've upgraded the team, the setups, and we're able to trade both ways. This young lady, dabbling in crypto over the past few months, lost a lot of money, had $400 left in her Coinbase account, joined the group, $23,000 now on Binance US from $400. This person, I've done it. I've officially turned $5K into $10,000. Banging. Double your money. This market will change your life forever. You've got to put the work in with me, and I'll make sure you're in the best coins. You've got to be like we constantly are nailing banger after banger after banger on these shorts. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bang. This is make or break for Bitcoin. And previously, we had this falling wedge that broke to the downside. That's very bearish. Now, your RSI down here is oversold. So there's some bounce ideas. If you don't get this bounce here, you've already seen a 23% pullback by S&P 500 E-mini futures. Previously, if we go back to the panic situation drop, that was a 50% pullback. Are we going to see a 50% pullback? It's the measured move. The measured move is 45% pullback based on a breakdown of this level. So if the bulls lose this level right here, you got this almost inverse cup and handle. If the bulls lose this level, you can see panic situation sell-off that will cause a market reset, which would be good because it give us a bunch of entry on a ton of altcoins, ton of Bitcoin, obviously. have some amazingly low prices. But if you're holding these coins, obviously at this point, it wouldn't be good. But now this is the dollar. It's booming. The Fed, on purpose, they are jacking up the rates. They're dumping $95 billion off the asset sheet every month. $2.2 trillion is going to be dumped onto the market. And it's dumping the stock market, crypto. Now, this measured move, this cup and handle breakout, measured moves all the way up here. If you don't get some type of pullback right here out of the DXY, and this thing completely goes parabolic, you're going to see a black swan event. So be prepared, be on point. I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin over the next 24 hours. Total 2 has been trending. So this is the market cap of all the altcoins, right? This thing has been trending lower for an extended period of time. If you're in altcoins and you're losing money, that's because you're holding them. That's all there is to it. You do not lose money in this market. Other people take your money. Altcoins in general are down 25% since the high in August 14th. So you're giving away your money. So this needs to break out to the upside so that we can see some bullish valuation. So this needs to break out to the upside in order to see the altcoins come back to life. Now your RSI, your stochastic RSI is overbought. The RSI is curving lower. Like the bulls have got to show up here in stocks to save Bitcoin and the altcoins, and that's all there is to it. It's make or break. Apple is now going to allow NFT sales in apps, but they're going to charge 30% commissions and fees. I had a friend of mine's son over here the other day, and they were laughing at me because I had an Android phone. And I'm just thinking, what am I missing? Like, I didn't realize I was out of the loop. These kids, 16, 17-year-old kids, were laughing at me. Like, if you don't have an Apple, then you're not in the in crowd. And I'm just thinking, and I just never used or migrated over to Apple or I just never used Apple software. I never used Macs. I always was a PC guy, and Android worked fine. But now look at this. Apple, can you believe it? They're coming out, they're going to charge 30% commission on the NFT sales through their apps. They're going to make a killing. Apple adopting NFTs. Everything's fine. This tweet says, no big deal. Fireball, fireball, fireball. In 2021, if you would have bought this house, $500,000 house, $1,644 a month. Pretty sweet payment. 2022, right now, after rate hike, after rate hike, after rate hike, the same $500,000 house is $1,000 more a month. What does this do to the economy? What does this do to home prices? Home prices have to come down. I'm looking for car prices to come down too. Now, you don't have a surplus of inventory in a lot of markets, and this does depend on the market. But again, I've been personally waiting pretty cash heavy for the market, the housing market, to pull back so that I'm able to spread. You want to have your assets spread out over different asset classes, but understand that, $1,000 difference on a loan of the same amount in 12 months because the Fed is raising the rates and they're causing it to be more expensive for the general public to borrow from banks. This tightens a money supply. This is what's happening right now. People feel the safe haven is cash potentially. Some people are saying there's no safe haven because obviously cash is being devalued as well. So pay attention to these ideas. Like, these interest rates mean a lot in just how you live your day-to-day life. Like, the cost of everything is going up. Make sure you're prepared for the worst and keep money on the sidelines. So if you do get this big sell-off, you're able to buy the bottom. Buy the dips that make you sick, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.